problem, we're asked to let m, capital M, be the average value of f of x is equal to x to the fourth on x3, on 0, 3, on the interval 0, 3. Find a value c within this interval 0 to 3 such that f of c is equal to m, which is our average value. Okay, so here we're basically using the mean value theorem, in this case for integrals. Okay, so first of all, let's find that average value, our m. Okay, so to find average value, we're going to plug it into the formula of 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of our f of x dx. Okay, so 1 over b minus a, that's going to be 1 over 3 minus 0, and then times the integral from 0 to 3 of our f of x, which is x to the fourth, and dx. So our average value is, continuing simplifying, we get 1 over 3 times x to the fifth, and then a 1 over 5, right? And we're evaluating this from 0 up to 3. So this is going to be a 1 over 15 x to the fifth, evaluated from 0 to 3. So when we plug that in, we get average value is equal to 1 over 15 times 3 to the fifth, and then minus 1 over 15 times 0 to the fifth. So this is going to be, this second term is going to go to 0, right? And then we have something that looks like a 1 over, and 15 is 3 and 5, right? So we can say 3 and 5, and then 3 to the fifth. So one of these 3's will cancel out, and we get 3 to the fourth. So this is going to be an 81 over 5, okay? So that's our average value. This is our, we can denote it at capital M, as the problem asks for, okay? So this is 81 over 5. We found that, all right? And then, now what we want to do is find a c, so find a value c, find an x equal to c such that the value of our function, so that when we plug it into our function, we get our average value out. Okay, so this is our average value. And we found our average value to be 81 over 5. So we want f of c to equal 81 over 5. And f of c is the same thing as saying c to the fourth power, right? If we plug in that c there. So this is going to equal an 81 over 5. So we're just going to solve for c. So we just take the fourth root on both sides. Okay, and we get, on the left side, we get a c alone. Then we have a 3 over the fourth root of 5 down there. And when you plug that into a calculator, we basically just get a value like 2.0062. Okay, so either one would be correct, and that makes our, this is the value c for which the function takes on the average value, which is that 81 over 5. Okay? Alright, so that does it for this practice problems video on average value. I hope that helps, and happy studying.